Hi sweetlings! It's me again, Eulie. And ngayon, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang bagong added feature ng YouTube Analytics. I-share ko din po sa inyo kung paano siya basahin. This new added feature will be a game changer for us mga YouTube content creator. I also highly recommend that you should watch up until the end of this video kasi i-announce ko din po ang mga changes na gagawin ko sa aking YouTube channel. So let's start this video with a question. Ilan sa inyo guys that are also having a hard time to catch the perfect time and day na magpo-post video sa YouTube channel mo? Well, to be honest, isa po ako sa mga taong yon. Nagsastruggle po ako kung how to catch my audience, the perfect time and day na yung audience ko na nanonood sa YouTube or nanonood sa mga videos ko. And luckily, this added feature that I'm about to share with you guys is a game changer for us na mga nagsastruggle kung when, at what time natin ipopost yung YouTube videos natin. Ako noon, I wish na may feature yung YouTube Analytics na makikita kung anong date at time ang mga tao na nasa YouTube. Pareho sa Instagram. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang Instagram is my analytics din. Let me show it to you guys. If you go to your Instagram account, you will see edit profile, promotions, and insights. Click the insights and dyan mo po makikita yung Instagram analytics nyo po. To see what time and day na nasa Instagram yung mga audience mo, click the audience at punta ka sa pinaka bottom part ng audience analytics. Dyan mo po makikita yung hours at days na nasa Instagram yung mga audience mo. I also want to inform everyone na every social media platforms ay may designated na analytics. Kung alam mo lang kung saan siya pwedeng makita. Based on my Instagram analytics, tuwing Mondays and Fridays at 10 AM yung mga audience ko na nasa Instagram. Kung susubukan nyo pong i-click yung graph, may makikita tayong number sa ibabaw ng graph. Diyan natin makikita kung ilang audience ang nakukuha natin per day at per hour. Hindi talaga ako everyday nagpo-post ng aking Instagram content. But every other day ako na nasa Instagram story ko. I tried following a schedule and I'm posting every Mondays and Fridays at 10 AM Philippine time. And I've been doing this for 1 week and I've already gained 3 followers. So I decided na to continue or consistently doing this for 1 month and see if may makikita tayong positive result. Wish noon na si YouTube may ganon din na feature. And finally, meron na din po si YouTube na ganitong feature. I actually just found it recently when I checked my June analytics. I'm so happy and jumped into making this video. I want my audience to know na may bagong added feature si YouTube. So before anything else, if sa mga baguhan pa lang sa channel ko and you don't know what I'm talking about, please watch this video where I talk about YouTube Analytics and as well as the other video that talks about SEO. Before we start, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell para kapag may bagong video ko, kayo yung unang makakita. Let's start! Ang downside lang po ng new added feature, if you're using your phone and if you check on the YouTube Studio application, hindi mo po siya makikita, meaning wala po siya sa application if you're using your phone. I also tried updating the application to see if baka if in-update ko yung application ko, lalabas siya. pero hindi pa rin. So I guess the YouTube creators are just testing this new added feature out. So if you're trying to get the right time and the right day to post your video here on YouTube, check the new added feature using your desktop or your personal computer. Using your desktop, click the YouTube Studio and click the Analytics. And on the upper left side, you can see the Overview, Reach, Engagement, and Audience. Please go ahead and click the Audience, and there makikita mo po yung color purple lines na may title When Your Viewers Are on YouTube. So Yuli, paano ba siya basahin? Let's zoom in the table para mas ma-explain ko po sa inyo ng maayos. On the upper horizontal part ng table, may makikita kayong days of the week. And on the left vertical side, may makikita kayong oras. Kung gaano po kaklaro yung purple color lines, dyan mo po makikita kung anong day at oras yung mga viewers mo nanonood sa YouTube. Let's see, for example, on Fridays, may 4 tayong nakikita na deeper color purple lines. Those 4 deeper purple color lines, nag-coincide po siya sa oras na 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Kung titingnan mo po yung buong table for the last, let's say, change to 7 days, may 2 deeper purple line tayong nakikita sa Monday at may 4 pa rin tayong deeper purple line na nakikita sa Friday. Just by seeing that, I can say na yung mga audience ko, nanonood sila tuwing Monday and Friday. Kung titingnan natin on the vertical side, may makikita tayong 2 lines na nag-coincide sa 9 a.m. time slot. Now, we can finally say yung mga audience ko is nanonood sila tuwing Monday and Friday, 9 a.m. time slot. As you all know, yung original schedule ko ng pagpo-post ng videos sa YouTube channel ko is 3 times a week. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays every 6 a.m. in the morning. Palagi ko po yung ginagawa for the last 2 months. But as you can see on the table, iba po yung nakukuha nating resulta based on the new added features sa YouTube Analytics. This is why I said earlier na game changer po ito sa atin ng mga YouTube content creators. And sa tingin ko, the YouTube creators are still testing this new feature out. So, I highly advise na gamitin po natin itong new added feature para po makita ng mga YouTube creators na gumagamit tayo nito at para po i-improve nila itong new added feature ni YouTube. Para din po magiging addition siya sa YouTube Studio application kapag gumagamit tayo ng ating phone while checking on our YouTube Analytics ng ating YouTube channel. That will be a very nice touch at hindi na natin kailangan magbukas ng ating desktop para i-check ang new added feature ni YouTube Analytics. So based on that added feature on YouTube Analytics, I'm gonna be changing my schedule. Instead of posting videos here on YouTube 3 times a week, I'm gonna be posting 2 times a week. That will be Monday and Friday, 9 a.m. Philippine time. I know I've been changing my schedule a lot. This is because I'm trying to catch the perfect time and date na yung mga viewers ko ay nasa YouTube. And I'm so happy with this new added feature here on YouTube Analytics that I can finally stick to that more audience-based schedule. Bakit napaka-importante na alam natin yung perfect timing na nasa YouTube yung mga audience mo? One is, this will guarantee the views. 2, the engagement from your audience. And if may views and engagement from your audience, there is a high chance na yung video mo i-recommend ni YouTube to other YouTube channel. And I'm also gonna be testing this out. Maybe I'll give this 2 weeks or 1 month and see if may makikita tayong positive result in sticking to that schedule. And I'm gonna be sharing it with you guys if may maganda or hindi maganda akong makikita sa aking YouTube Analytics. So, let's keep this 1 month and let's stick to the schedule, post videos consistently. Yeah. So, that's it for our video for today. And if you have more questions about reading the new added feature, please comment down below. Gusto kong malaman kung ano yung opinion nyo about this new added feature sa YouTube Analytics. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell kasi on my next video, I'm gonna be sharing you guys how to get content ideas na talagang mag-gain ng views. Also, follow all my social media accounts, or you can also comment below, take a screenshot, share it on your Instagram story, and tag me. Thank you so much for watching my video and see you on my next video. Bye, sweet things. Take care.